Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safira and if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be creating this crisscross high ponytail hairstyle inspired by Arnell Arman. This is such a cute summer hairstyle, so let's go. First thing I did was section off the part that I wanted to do the crisscross part on, which is basically just a rectangular shape. And I used the cream wax to slick down the rest of my hair because that part is just gonna go in a high ponytail. And of course, I took out my baby hair. I'm gonna work on that part later on. Then I just tied my hair up in a normal high ponytail, took out some more baby hair, and yeah, moving on. So now for this part, I sectioned it in like kind of a triangle shape and I kept going back and forth between the two sides just to make them as even as possible. Then I used some more wax on this section just to make it a little bit more smooth and make the part a bit more neat. And I tied it up with a tiny rubber band, and you want to tie this up until it feels secure, but not too tight because your scalp can feel really sensitive if you do it too tight. And also it can be really annoying to take it out of your hair at the end of the day as well. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So now, for this middle piece, I did a triangle shape again, but this time the point is in the back. I don't know if my explanation is clear, but you can see what I'm trying to say. Then I applied some wax again to clean up the part and make it a bit more straight. And I tied it up again with a rubber band like the previous sections. At this point, I was just freestyling while making the parts and it all worked out at the end, so that's all that matters. And this last section in the back was a part on its own, so I tied that up as well, and then it was time for the crisscross. So here I have all my little sections tied up, and before joining any of them together, I just held it with my hand just to test out and see what it was gonna look like. Then I just connected all the sections, and for this part you just gotta watch what I'm doing because it's hard to explain but way easier just to watch. I finished the crisscross design, I just went back to the ponytail to make it more neat and sleek and make it all look good. I also sprayed some hairspray in my hair, as you can see, just to keep everything in place and get rid of some flyaways as well. Then I quickly used my flat iron to curl my baby hairs, and I don't always do this, but I just decided to use it today, so yeah. I do feel like whenever I curl my baby hairs that it just lays the way I want it to, way quicker than normal, but that's not worth damaging my edges, so still, I don't always use my flat iron to do so. is making my curls in the ponytail pop in. So I sprayed some water and just used my hands just to kind of wake the curls up. I also used my blow dryer to stretch out some sections to give my ponytail some shape, and this part is just playing around in my hair until it looks the way I want it to. And that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.